Welcome to Drone Therapy, where history meets the air. Today, we soar above one of the most iconic venues in British sport, Epsom Downs Racecourse, the legendary home of the Derby. Set high on the North Downs of Surrey, this open, sweeping course has seen more than 2 centuries of racing drama, royal visits, and cultural transformation. The first recorded race here took place in 1661, but it wasn't until 1780 that Edward Smith Stanley, the 12th Earl of Derby, lent his name to what would become the most prestigious flat race in the world. The modern grandstand, rebuilt in 2009, stands beside the historic Queen's Stand, a symbol of the course's long royal association. In fact, the Derby has been a firm fixture in the royal calendar, with monarchs attending regularly since the days of George IV. This sharp bend, known as Tattenham Corner, has witnessed countless moments of high tension and heartbreak. But none as powerful as 1913, when suffragette Emily Davison stepped onto the track during the Derby and was fatally struck by the King's horse. Her protest became a defining moment in the fight for women's suffrage. The Derby run at Epsom is usually referred to as the Derby in Great Britain. It is one of Britain's great national sporting events and has a large worldwide TV audience. The Derby is raced on the first Saturday of June each year, over a distance of 1 mile, 4 furlongs and 10 yards, 2,423 metres, or about 1.5 miles. It was first run in 1780. The Derby has been run at Epsom in all years except during the World Wars. From 1915 to 1918 and from 1940 to 1945, the Derby was run at Newmarket as the New Derby. With the race's close association with gambling, the most controversial running of the Epsom Derby took place in 1844. The winner, Running Rein, was disqualified on discovery that a 4-year-old imposter, a horse by the name Maccabeus, had been substituted in his place as part of a betting coup. The Downs themselves have long been a place of recreation. In the 19th century, Derby Day drew vast crowds, not just the elite, but thousands of ordinary people, turning the hill into a sprawling carnival of colour, music, and mischief. Today, Epsom remains a working training centre with stables nestled into the chalky landscape. The course hosts several major races, but the Derby, held each June, is still the crown jewel. A race that has inspired generations and echoed across turf and time. From 18th century nobles to 21st century fans, Epsom Racecourse is more than just a sporting venue. It's a living chronicle of British culture.